I see a lot of confusion and a lot of misuse of the word shift. A lot of people are using the word shift, but they're using it incorrectly. They'll describe something like, I grew up in Mozambique, and then I shifted to the USA. Or, I grew up in India, and I shifted to the UK for studying. That's pretty weird. The correct verb is move. When you move your body or your life from one country to another, that's a lot of travel. That's a far distance. The verb is move, not shift. Move and shift. Shift and move. Very different verbs. This is shifting. All right? When you shift something, you move it slightly in the same area, but slightly different position. That's shifting. I'm still in front of the camera. I'm still in the Hard-Boiled English studio, but I'm shifting my position. You can also shift in a chair. Staying in the same chair, but moving your hips or your butt. That's shifting. Shifting is not moving from one country to another. The verb to use for traveling from another country to another, especially permanently, that verb is move. To move something is to move it from one place to another place. To shift is to move the position in the same place. Big difference. So stop saying shift.